VA Backpacker Dave, hanging his War Bonnet Black Bird, chilling in the chilly chill. Al still hooting in the background. It's been a good camping night with the old man. Pop's over there hanging in his Hennessy Explorer Deluxe. I'm about to slip into the old cat's meow sleeping bag. Can't really see it's underneath me. But this is me hanging out between trees in Virginia in the woods. It's going to go down at about 45 tonight. It's going to be a great night. Great night. VA Backpacker Dave out. Bye-bye. Sign off with the feet. Oh yeah, feet in the foot box. VA Backpacker Dave out. Bye-bye.